Okay, we are live, I believe. Okay, so those of you watching, this is an emergency stream. Well, not emergency. It's a breaking news, guys. It's been a while. I've been away for a few months. I had a lot of personal challenges, but I am finally out of it, hopefully. And good timing because today is the official launch of Webflow's AI site builder. And so here is the website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my raw thoughts, unfiltered. I'll probably put together a video after this that's more collected, and we'll see what this means for the future of web designers. Obviously, you guys know of my background with Reloom. We all love Reloom. And this is obviously, it looks like a direct competitor. So let's dive in. Let's take a look. And those of you tuning in, say hi. Okay, so here's the website. It's all scroll based. Really nice, by the way. Obviously, okay, I won't dive into it. Let's just, I won't go through this. I'm just going to dive right into it. It says try AI site builder. Okay, let's take a look. By the way, if the music's too loud, I'll probably lower it down here. Okay, so there are 3 ways to get started. I'm just going to start with the AI site builder option right here. Start with the basics. What are you building for? Okay, this is business or personal project. What's your name of the business? I'm going to go with Astra Orthodontics. This is a website I recently created, and so I'm going to pull that and compare. Okay, tell us as much about your business as possible. So let's just pull in some of the information here. So I can just quickly, I'll just copy the about section here. It says, who's your target audience? The target audience are patients, dental patients who need orthodontic treatment. And then I'll paste a little bit about Astra. I like how it gives you examples. See, this is what I like about AI. It gives you prompts or suggestions, I mean. So that is really helpful. Okay, go next. Let's see here. Okay, so we can go to different styles: professional, natural, minimal, all that stuff. Let's just go with the fully AI suggested. There's primary site background, light or dark. I'm just gonna go with AI. No, let's just go with light because that's a good dental website. Brand and voice. Okay. Educational. I would definitely want educational for it. It's very cool. Technical, precise and accurate terminology. You know what? Let's go with technical and see how advanced that is. And primary color. Now, color range. I'm gonna go with, this is like a Tiffany blue. So let's just go with blue and generate. Here we go. All right, so as this is generating, it's gonna take some time here. It's got these little like loading prompts. Really cool. I'm gonna pull up Reloom. And obviously we have Reloom's site builder as well. Okay. Guys, this is really unscripted here. But I mean, this is just the obvious thing. It's gonna compare with what Reloom can do. So I've been using it. It's amazing. I literally just launched a website today, a landing page for a sales landing page, and I was able to do it, a matter of hours from start to finish. So okay, it's taken some time to build, but it takes a while. Let's see. All right, here we go. So let's open up Webflow. Okay, so, all right. This is an interesting UI. So we have pretty solid website. Okay, so I have 3 sections here, but I mean, you got a header and all that stuff. Similar to Webflow's UI, you have tablet, mobile versions as well. I'm gonna look over here. What's this? Next layout. Okay. That's really cool. So I can shuffle through different layouts with the images generated pretty quickly. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm going through, and what's this? Swap styles. Okay. All right, so I'm shuffling through different colors and styles with the color buttons. All right, that's really interesting. I guess that's based off of the theme. If I click here, what is this? Okay, so these are different themes with, I guess, colors, typography, with headings and body type. Okay, that's cool. Let's generate more. Okay, so it gives me more variations. And it's regenerating images right now. Everything's regenerating. So this is more style. So colors, typography, that's it. And images. All right. Let's switch over here. Okay, this is pretty crazy. Let's just go with this funky color here. Okay. All right. So with the colors here, let's regenerate styles. Interesting. Let's swap this out. Okay, we got bento grids here. I mean, it's not perfect, obviously, but I mean, there's no like proper headings and structures like this. Oh, there is here. Okay, but it's good. It's not bad. Does it have clickable tabs? No, not yet. But I mean, there's interactivity and hover right now. Okay, cool. So let's move on. Typography. Interesting. Okay, so there's sizes. Let's go really big here. What does this do? Again, guys, this is my first time trying it, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, well, I think this just adjusts the size. I don't know how, but it's not updating there. But if I go here, you have different fonts, sans serif. Oh, you got sans serif and then serif and then mixed, mono. Okay. Now this is cool. When you hover, it updates automatically. We have creative. Let's just go with something wild here. Okay, so this applies. Now, why doesn't this apply yet? Let's just click away. I wonder if this updates. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Okay, well, moving on to sections. All right, alternate, secondary, subtitle, all primary. What does this do? Again, without knowing how to use this, I'm just playing this out. Alternate, primary, secondary. This is choose section pack. Sections predominantly use either primary or secondary variants for a minimal look. Okay. Oh, I see. So these are like, I guess it's still for styles. So swapping the different alternating background colors and things like that. This is like colored in the middle. Okay, well this is like a nothing section. Let's see here. Okay, cool. All right, so the new fonts I've chosen have applied, but not for this one. Oh, okay, let's see if I change this. Maybe it'll update here. Next layout, yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. So you just need to shuffle through and it'll update. So that's massive, I see. So let's do a balance, medium, H1. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's cool. That's fast, guys. Nuts. Okay, moving on to, I want to do images. Whoa. Okay, I want, let's try something really wild. Dramatic light. Again, this is dental related images. Now that is pretty cool for dental work. Again, that generated really quickly. I don't know, guys, that's pretty impressive. And again, these are related, the context, the copywriting, it's all related to dental websites. So that is really cool. Okay, moving on, let's play with buttons. We all love buttons here. We have different styles. All right, let's just go with this wild one here. Again, I'm just trying to push the limit. Okay, so as you hover, let's go with this crazy yellow. Over tertiary accent. Okay, I don't know how I guess this is showing the different color variations based on the color palette that I've selected. Okay. Oh, okay, so I guess as I hover, I can see the different applications of that. Okay. I'm just brutalizing this design. So, okay, and then input forms. Okay. Do I have any forms here? No, I don't. So, oh, wow. It's just like produced a full-fledged page now. There's more things here. So are there forms here? No. So obviously it's not applying and making adjustments because there's no forms, I believe. This is like a new morphism style. Let's see if it changes anything. No, it doesn't. Okay. And then cards. Okay. All right. So this is cool. First off, I'm going to change the type here. I can't take this. Let's go with something. You want something clean and minimal. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah, there you go. Okay. Go. Boom. That's nice. Next, let's go to the cards. And I got different card styles. Okay. So rounded corners or sharp corners. Let's go really round. Can we do that? Can we do transparent? Okay, that's cool. So we have transparent, we have subtle, and then we have bright. Cards that pop. Again, that's really neat. Interesting. So they apply to, the card design applies to all cards in the whole site. Let's go with a nice gentle, yeah, that's clean. Okay. Finally, roundness. What is this? Okay, do I want square, sharp corners or round buttons? That's crazy, guys. That is pretty nice. Okay, I think I'm good here. This is a good style. That's a lot of options. And that was what? That was 15 minutes. Okay, so let's start building. Okay, here it is in Webflow. Let's look at the structure here. So this is the hero section. We got heading, button groups. I mean, that's pretty clean. Containers for the images. So I don't know if you guys can see here. But everything's there. So let's take a preview. Are things clickable? Is there, okay, so there's hover states. Oh, whoa. Okay. That was pretty cool. It came with animations. That was nuts. Okay, team. Is it gonna take me to a team page? No. Okay, so this is just that's really cool. That is really cool. Can I click? Okay, so the tabs work. I mean, look, these are like the offerings here. Metal braces, clear braces, Invisalign, technology, 3D imaging, digital scan. That I'm pretty blown away. Comprehensive orthodontics, that's really cool. Now I wonder if there's a way to change the design again outside of being here in the design mode. Let's see here. Okay, what does this say here? Generate a layout to design with AI. Start by adding a new section. Okay. All right. Oh, here we go. Add a section. Okay, so I'm adding a new section. Let's just bring it over here. What do I do? Okay, welcome to AI. So guys, we're diving in deep. Okay, so this was what they showed us at Webflow Conf. It's this little assistant on the right here. So where am I at? So I have a hero section. I got services. What do I want to add? Let's do a gallery. We all love images. Okay, so we have different, oh, I love these. Different layouts here. So it's going to generate. Okay, it's generating an image layout. Again, let's take a look. I mean, we got testimonials here. We have a price section. We have FAQs, and then CTA, and then a footer. And again, they're building it out with symbols. I mean, they're called what the heck? Components. Sorry, I'm stuck with the old terminology. Okay, wow, there it is. Dude, that's nuts. I mean, the fact that you can generate images super quick and it's on theme with the colors, that's pretty impressive, guys. Wow. Okay, well, let's take a look at the different layouts or responsiveness here. So this is for tablet. Pretty good. And it's pretty well balanced. Let's bring it over to mobile. I mean, you need a little bit of tweaking here, but let's bring it over to, whoops. Let's update the music here. So let's go with the screen size. Guys, it's pretty balanced. This is pretty quick. Again, I'm like just I'm 18 minutes in. 18 minutes in, not knowing what to do, and I have a full page. This is impressive, guys, I have to say. Well done, Webflow. This is really cool. Let's take a look. Oh, what's this? Theme. Oh, okay, here we go. So that's a new icon here. So let's update the colors here just a little bit. Let's make it drastically different. Let's make it red. Okay. Okay, so we've selected that. I'm gonna change the buttons here. That's clean. Now I wonder, now all the images are blue. Can I, okay, here we go. Let's reselect this. How do I generate this thing? Will it do that? Let's go back. Let's take a look. What is this? This is open style guide. Okay, I'm curious to look at the style guide as well. Customize variables. Oh, snap. Okay, here we go. We're in the variables. This is the power of Webflow and design systems. I'm a huge nerd. Okay, so we have accent colors. This is crazy. Secondary. We have the neutrals. This is a lot, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure this will all apply to the style guide. Actual brand colors here. And they're all linked. And then we have offsets and distances, spacing, all in rems. Very good. We have gaps, fonts. Okay, guys, this is nuts. It's all here. H1, H2. That's a lot. This is insane. Okay, cards. Okay, wow, there's even card attributes here, or properties with color associated to it. Very impressive, guys. All right, let's dive into this style guide. We'll go back and adjust the colors later. Okay, very cool. This is beautiful. This is actually really beautiful. Let's take a look here. So we have, oh, and look, it's a page. Can I click on this and will it go over? No, it won't. Okay, foundations. Wow, so you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different shades of colors. We have the primary brand color. And let's take a look. If we change this, this is going to be nuts. Let's change the color now to, Oh, wow, and it's updating live. That's insane. I don't know, guys. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is pretty cool. This is very impressed, guys. I mean, look, I'm a huge Reloom fan, of course, with Webflow as well, but this is wow. Okay, well, let's go through. So it updates live. We have different colors. Okay, let's just look at this. See, all the colors here, they're all linked to the variables colors as well. Oh, sorry, this is the font. And colors here. Yeah, colors are all here. Wow, okay, here we go. And then you can search. That's pretty insane. So you have a whole library here. And then you have body text as well here. Base typography, block quotes. Okay, very cool. Moving down, we got more colors. We got border colors here. So I can just kind of click in here and then change the colors here if I want. And then they have combo classes applied to it as well. So this is really interesting. Okay, I'm gonna dive into the weeds of all the properties later on, but we have border radius from small, medium, large to round, typography. This is very, very helpful. Again, let's see here. I want to change the styles of the typography. Like, this is gonna, wow, guys. I mean, the fact that you can preview it live just by hovering it is massive. I mean, I kind of like this. This is kind of a very cool. I think, yeah, Bibas News. Let's go with that. Whoops. Okay, yeah, so it's applied. We got buttons. We got spacing. Well designed. I have a feeling Corey has something to do with this design. Pretty impressive, guys. Body, text for heading, text alignment. Okay, buttons here. Oh, I like how they have the buttons on the accent just to show contrast. Text button. They've thought about everything. This is pretty well done. Okay, let's put some more music in here. Okay. Button groups. Okay, that's a lot of buttons. Let's do tags. Now images. Okay, so let's see here. This is great because they're showing the combo classes here. As you click it, they show you what is applied. So that's really cool. That's actually really helpful to know what combo class or what class names are applied to these different styles. Icons are there. Okay, I am, guys, I'm a pretty picky reviewer. I mean, this is my first official review, but this deserves a round of applause. It's really impressive, guys. And then we have cards. Wow. So we have primary cards, default cards. Now, can we change? Obviously, we probably can change the color of it. Do we do background? How do we do this here? But it's cool. You can just go in here and change. What's this purple one? Card padding. Okay. You can go one rem. So you can change the spacing, the margins here, and then it'll actually apply everywhere as well. So that's really cool. That is a true design system. Very impressive. I'm gonna just undo all that. Okay, so we got card designs of all different types. This just keeps going. We're only halfway through this page. Insane. All right, keep going. Let's just fly through it. We have sliders. Okay, nuts. Accordions. Does it preview here? Does it actually? Oh, it does preview. Very cool. Does this preview as well? It does. Very cool. So basically you do all your designs like on this page, whoever's like the main designer, and you tweak it all on this page, and then it'll apply it everywhere onto the rest of the website. Structure and layout. Okay, we got layout here. Okay, so they have layouts here. This is insane. Containers. Okay, next is navigation. Okay, we have footer. Wow, wow, wow. This is a lot. This was unexpected. I have to keep saying, pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. Flex. It's like Webflow just threw everything they had in this launch, and it was just so unassuming, and they didn't even hype it. They just put it out there for us to explore. Utilities. Okay, now we're getting to the nitty gritty. Okay, we're almost at the bottom. We have masks here and overlays. Effects. Okay, we have drop shadows, gradients. That's really cool. This is a lot. Wow. Insane. Okay. Let's go back to the page. That was really crazy. Now, how do we generate a new page? Okay, so that's just like the home page. Static page, no static. Create a template. Well, generate new page with AI. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is good. This is what I want. So about page. This is crazy. So it's going to take the time to generate the same type of process using I assume all the styles we've selected, the colors, the typography. Okay, that was insanely fast. That is sick. Okay, let's just like preview this and see. So this is the about page. Metal clear braces. This is, I guess, the team with the colors, the vibrant colors. Again, it's not really matching on. Let's see if I can update that. I mean, this is pretty well done. We got images here. We have names and titles. And then, yeah. Wow, that was really quick. That was crazy. Okay, now let's change. I can't stand this like vibrant colors. Let's make it really clean and elegant. Oh, look at that. Bright white. Okay. So that's gonna, how do I do that now? So I'm selecting that. How do I update it? Is there a way here? Can I right click? No. Okay. There must be a way to regenerate it somewhere. Open style guide, customize variables. Nope, that's not it. Open style guide page. What does that do if I click on here? Okay, oh, it just takes me straight to the page. About Astra. Well, I'll figure that out. I don't want to troubleshoot too much, but I think now that I've selected a new image and I want to create a new page, let's create another page. This is just addicting now. I want to go do let's see, show more. Okay, I want to do services page. So I'm kind of excited now. I'm like, I wonder what is it going to look like. Guys, the ideas for a competition now, speed build, has taken it to a whole other level. So my brain is just racing. Okay, there you go. So we got clean images. This is beautiful. This is way more on theme. Again, wow, everything works. We got tabs that work. And again, these are real like information. That it's not just made up lorem ipsum. And like, I could just work off this really well. Again, I love the bento boxes. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. Again, it's been half an hour. It's only been 30 minutes. That is my, guys, that's my time. That's my speed build time limit, half an hour. So within half an hour, I built 3 pages. That's themed, has full on images. And the images apply to the style that I have. That's insane. Okay, let's go back. Very impressive. What else can I do? Okay, well, let's start a new one here. I don't want to share my dashboard here. Let me. So that was I want to start a new site with working off of a template, because there were 3 different ways to start a new site. Okay, cool. So when I go to my dashboard and I go to new site, it takes me to this, which is nice. And so instead of a blank site, I guess this is just the way we're used to. This blank site. Let's go with template. Maybe this. Okay, this is just the template marketplace. Okay, got it. So if I just select create site, I think this is just the usual way for creating site through templates, and that's gonna generate. But guys, that's wild. Okay. All right, so this is the template that I have, and then I would just work off of this. Okay, so let's take a look. And again, look, I mean, all they have is just the colors, which is fine, but I mean, compared to what we had in the other one, it's a full-on design system. So let's switch it up here. I'm gonna go back to the AI site. Which one was that? Is this one? Give me a sec, guys. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I want to find a way to refresh this. Okay, look at this. Generate. Oh, there it is. Generate a layout to design AI. Okay. I click on here. Okay. So if I want to update this, what would you like to edit? I want to edit the, again, for AI tools, like if it's just a fresh prompt, we don't know where to start. But if you're suggesting things, that's always helpful. So let's go. I want to update the background. I want to update, say, gradient. Oh, this is cool. Okay. I mean, this is pretty ugly, but let's see how it applies here. Here's some gradients. Okay, cool. So that applies to that. Background gradient has been added. Classes created, classes used. Oh, interesting. So that's really good stats. Okay. All right, next, what's this? Go back and start again. Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can see here. Go back and start again. So that's like a redo. I can go to colors. Right, okay, so just suggesting some things. Let's go back. Very cool. I mean, this is in beta. Pretty impressive. Copy, let's change the copy. Let's change the tone of voice. Let's make it professional. So now it's updating the copy. Advanced orthodontic solutions for all ages. Let's see if it cranks it up. And I wonder if this is just going to, okay, so I'm selecting the section here, and so it's only applying to that section. Yes. Okay. Now what if I select the body? No. So I have to select this section, and then I click on this AI button here in the top right, and then it applies, like the co-pilot will apply to that section alone. Okay. Now I want to find a way to, let's select the section to update the images. Okay, so I have a gallery layout here. Can I type anything? No, I guess not. Find a layout. Okay. This is fun, guys. There's a lot to explore. Again, how do I do this? How do I just apply it? It would be cool to just right click and say generate with AI with the images. Background primary. Okay. Now let's take a look at my assets. Oh, interesting. So I have all the images and it's compressed in AVIF format. So that's really cool. And it has all the assets in this page. Interesting. So if I go to the other page, oh, right. Okay. So this is basically all the assets for the whole site. Okay. Yeah. So that's good. Very cool. So I have a total of 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. If I just, again, generate another, another page, add plus, I mean, this is fun. If I just go here and I want to now do pricing, this would be cool. Let's see. I mean, this is now I'm at the point where I just want to see what it's like, and it's actually fun building it instead of just diving into the details, which you can. But for the everyday designer, this is awesome. And look at the logo. That's really cool too. Make the logo bigger. Pricing page, really cool. And again, I can always dive in here. I could update it and tweak it as I like. So I love it. I love it. Very, very cool. Okay, now these are new images. And so I'm looking at the assets. So it's not pulling up. So that's interesting. I mean, I'm sure this is in beta. They're figuring it out. But I think this was pulled at the original prompt when I first started the site. So I think that's what that is all about. But I think that's it, guys. That's a lot. Those are my raw thoughts. I'm going to try to put together a proper video. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. This is gonna make a lot of noise in the design community. So thanks for watching. If you guys are still here, I'll see you guys next time. There's a lot of content I'm gonna be lining up. Again, I had major delays, a lot of personal things, but I hope to be hitting the ground running. March is the time, and that is the bell to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye bye.